Activ-ity from Morphtec provides powerful computer and internet user monitoring for business, government, education, and home users. Activ-ity combines all of the common IT supervisor tasks into one highly functional but simple to use package. Within 10 minutes of installing Activ-ity, you can be monitoring, recording, and protecting your IT network and safeguarding your users. Activ-ity provides immediate return on investment by helping you to cut costs on things like avoiding nuisance litigation, optimizing training, and preventing asset theft. Accelerating development by monitoring skill shortfalls and work time distractions. Growing your geographic footprint, cutting office overheads, and retaining key staff by enabling reliable remote working, and allowing office managers, carers, teachers, and parents to safeguard vulnerable people. Activ-ity is also highly scalable. It doesn't matter if you need to monitor one person in one location or thousands of people around the world. And as the information gathered can be relayed in real time, delivered by regular consolidated reports, or configured as alarms to live events, you are always in control, no matter how big or small your organization. So what are the most common applications for Activ-ity? Monitoring IT compliance to ensure staff follow good practice guidelines and that there is a record when things go wrong. Monitoring employee productivity to identify distractions from things like overuse of social media. Identifying training needs where staff are struggling with common tasks, or highlighting good staff for promotional planning and team building. Detecting and protecting against insider security threats such as financial fraud, intellectual property theft, and other asset removal such as transferring customer details to a competitor. Reducing the cost and disruption caused by nuisance litigation. Identifying problems early so they can be nipped in the bud, or building an evidence trail for a legal defense. Identifying skill shortages and training needs before they seriously impact productivity. Also, monitoring the value for money delivered by training courses by analyzing the staff productivity before and after the training. Identifying and defending against resource abuse, for example, using company resources to run a home business, or circulating inappropriate material that could have a negative impact on staff morale, damage your brand, or lead to legal action against you. Most managers try to avoid taking a heavy hand to IT monitoring. Nobody wants to damage morale or create an uncomfortable working atmosphere. But when problems creep up over time, Activ-ity can be deployed in stealth mode, empowering managers to tackle less serious problems in a positive way. For example, introducing time management training, reorganizing teams, introducing mentors, setting new performance targets, and revisiting how staff are rewarded, leaving serious action for only the worst offenders. For companies who want minimal disruption to their IT infrastructure, Activ-ity can be deployed as a cloud solution hosted on our secure servers. Or, for companies who want total control of their user data, Activ-ity can be deployed directly on your internal servers. In either case, the data is highly encrypted and only accessible on a machine with the valid security certificate installed, in addition to username and password authentication. Try Activ-ity completely free and with no obligation for 30 days by visiting www.activ-ity.com and see how user monitoring can empower your organization.